Alright, Friday, May 9th. Making more work for myself. I'm artifying the plain wood frame here with various pieces of molding. Budgies, how we doing? Listening to Harry Belafonte, an old album. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that crazy glue stinks. I just opened the window. Yeah, ooh. Oh boy. Ooh. I dry it out. Get some umbers out if I can find it. Good singing, Chi. Good singing, Chi. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Beautiful feedback. B-O-K. Not B-A-C-H. That's a composer. All right. Okay. Boring segment here. That's okay. Six more seconds, 2 minutes, I'll turn it off. More feedback? Oh, you're having lunch. Good show, darling. Prime Minister Mazel, you're having lunch too. Good show, jolly good show.